One day I went to a bank and cashed $10 million, and I took it home.
Go on.
How much money do you have in your wallet, Bill?
I don't carry a wallet around a lot.
So are you a bit like the Queen? The Queen doesn't carry money.
No, what's in that purse?
You made a lot of money now, but I guess it doesn't matter now because for you it is numbers in the banks, you know. You look at your bank statement and, you know, how many zeros here or it's not here or there.
But I don't even look at that at all.
You don't even like it, but it's okay. But when you made your first million or 5 million, how we deal with that? When you made your first million or 5 million or...
You know, the way it is that when you first start business, your target is to make your first million. You know, okay, fine, I did that. But, you know, after, you know, a year or so, I realized that, look, I have much more than 12, 13 billion, you know, and I said, okay, fine, all these numbers are just written numbers.
Yeah.
You know, and one day I went to a bank.
Yeah.
You know, at that time there were no restrictions of this, and I wrote a check and cash $10 million, and I took it home.
For yourself?
For myself, yes.
You cashed $10 million from the bank?
Yes.
Yes, and took it?
I put it in the boot of my vehicle, and I went home, and I opened it, and I look at 10 million, I said that, okay, fine, now I believe I have money. I know.
So you put this in the bed and slept all night on top of it. You made love to your money.
It was in the boot of my
car.
You know, car.
Yeah.
But I brought it, and I went there by myself. I drove myself to the bank. I cashed the money, and you know, I put it in my room, and I look at the money, and I took it back to the bank the next day.
Can I ask you how much money you have in your wallet today?
Today?
Yeah. How much money you have in your pocket?
You'll be very, very surprised. I don't even have, not even $1, nothing.
You have no money on you?
Nothing. Okay. Nothing. I have nothing.
That's money for you guys. When you have money, you don't carry money.
How much money do you have in your wallet, Bill?
I don't carry a wallet around a lot.
So are you a bit like the Queen? The Queen doesn't carry money.
No, what's in that purse?
No money? Not money.
Oh, goodness, I wonder.
Is that so you have people with you that have to take care of that sort of thing now?
Well, when I'm going out, when I'm not doing a business trip, then I'll carry a wallet around that'll have a few $100s and some credit cards in it.
Yeah.
Pretty normal.